Yeah, good evening, everyone. Today we are here to discuss our project and which we will be built on construct weeks. And so today today here with me is Pratiksha will be here. She is the project of my project part of my team member, and we both are work on the front end parts of our projects. And to regarding project, we will be asked both to her. I will ask her to some questions, and she will ask to me some questions. So let's start with Pratiksha. So
Yes,
Pratiksha, can you introduce yourself?
yes, my name is Pratiksha Shinde. I am from block 41 and my student code is EFT38 6 underscore 614. Now you can ask me questions.
Okay, Pratiksha. Uh, so can we start?
Yes,
This is my first question to you. What is the scope of the project, and why do you choose the same?
the scope of this project is to create fast and responsive front-end web application by using V10 React, which is used for modern development practice. And this project is designed as a starting point for maintainable web applications.
Okay. Uh, let's move to the second questions. So, can you walk me through the most challenging technical problems you encountered in your project and how do you resolve it?
Yes, the most challenging technical problem is uh, by optimizing the libraries uh, which are library optimizing third parties libraries which are not easily understood, and we resolve this by using analyzing them analyzing that libraries and uh, replace that libraries with any easy alternative libraries.
Okay, good one. So, what specific technology do you use and why do you choose them for this project?
The technologies used in this project are Vite, React, CSS, and uh, Netlify. The Vite is chosen for mm, its speed and integration with front-end tools. Then the React is a JavaScript library which is used for reusable and dynamic UI application. Then CSS are used for styling the components, and we used Netlify for deploying our application. And Netlify is easy to use and easy to maintain.
Okay. Okay. Do you encounter any performance issue and how do you identify and address them?
Yes, the uh, performance issue encountered by me is of libraries which are third parties, and they makes the my code is uh, the load of my code is speed is.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, I will resolve this issue by using splitting my code. After splitting, I will run uh, in parts. That's it.
Fine. Uh, do you want to ask any question for me
Yes,
regarding the project?
yes, I will ask.
Yes. Yes.
Can you explain a situation where you had to make a critical decision that impacted the project's direction?
Uh, yes, we can encounter a lot of situations it means critical situations. So that one situation I want to share here. So one of my friend want to do the project because of his family issues, and so the project we are both we are two members are working here. So we have a lot of tasks to do. So then me and Pratiksha will divide our parts with equally, and we can work on that. And finally, we make our project. And this is the critical decisions we take and to make this project directions.
Okay. How did you manage version control and collaboration in your project?
uh, to managing versions controller, so we will use here the git so we know that the git will be store the previous versions and current versions also, current versions are also our code. So if we lost any previous versions of our code, and so we can get using if you are using the branches, under branches we will get that code. So for controlling versions controlling, we will use your git, and for collaborating also we will use git here.
Okay. Describe a piece of feedback you received on your project and how you implemented it.
Uh, so we received feedback on our project is good. The UI part is very good, and the functionality of our part also very good. And some part of the functionality it might be not work now, but it will the UI part is good, and yeah, this feedback we will be received.
Okay. What would you do differently if you were to start this project over again?
So if I get to chance to start this project over again, so first of all, I will create the responsiveness part, which I don't make on this project because of time limits. We don't have much time limits, so that I will be left. And first part I will be do that time that parts, and then after I will add more functionality to user interface, and I will implement some good looking layout and also layout also. So these things I will implement again if I get to start the projects.
Okay. So my last question is what was your contribution to the project?
Come to the point of my contributions up in project. So first, I will make the main screen layout of the project, and inside the project, I will make a new bar and a footer, and then after I will make home page to users data to show the users data. And I can make also the page, so filter page based on the. So I will make some fine descriptions. I will give inputs will be give there, and based on that inputs, we can search our data on this project. So this is my contribution in project.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much, Pratiksha.